Hey guys, I recently got my hands on the Sachtler Aktiv tripod head. Now I had it paired with the very popular Flowtech legs that came out not too long ago. And I also had a C300 Mk III and a couple of Sigma Cine lenses to use with it. So I was more than kitted out to go and test out this product. Luckily, it was snowing the other day and it was really beautiful outside. So I took all this kit down my local park for a quick little shoot just to test out the product and see what I thought. And now I'm just going to be running through some of its main features and some of the stuff that I noticed while using the new tripod head and legs as a pair. Firstly, I want to talk about the new design of this Aktiv tripod head, which has a quick release plate which you use for balancing the head. So rather than having to reach under your tripod legs, like under the head, to sort of awkwardly hold your camera and rebalance it, you can just use this quick release plate to balance it really quickly. You also use the same quick release plate for removing the head from the legs completely, which is so much quicker and efficient than the more conventional design. It actually echoes the design of the Flowtech legs, which you can use quick release plates to really easily move the tripod up or down, rather than having to fiddle around reaching down below and messing around with screws. So now, if you're using the Aktiv tripod head with the Flowtech legs, all in a really small area of space, you have loads of quick release plates which you can use for completely removing your tripod setup. So they've made it really quick and easy to adjust any of the features you might want to adjust on your tripod, which just makes for much more efficient shooting. Or perhaps if you're filming something like documentary, it means that you can just much quicker move your setup around, which means that you're not going to miss as much of the action. One of my favorite things about this new quick release plate design is the fact that there's now nothing underneath your tripod head in between the legs. So you can fully extend out the legs so that they're basically completely flat on the ground, which means that you pretty much just have your nice big camera setup flat on the ground, but you still get the benefit of having this really nice Sachtler Aktiv head for doing your tilts and your pans. The Aktiv heads come in 3 different models. So you've got the Aktiv 6, Aktiv 8 and Aktiv 10. And they all have counterbalance settings. So if you want to set your balance to have like 0 drag, if you don't want any at all, you can do that on all 3 of them. Or they all have very customizable amounts of drag. So no matter what payload you're using, no matter how heavy your camera is or where the balance is, you should be able to find that sweet spot very easily. In terms of payload, the Aktiv 6 has a max payload of 8 kilograms and the Aktiv 8 and 10 both have max payloads of 12 kilograms. Now, as I said, I was using this with a C300 Mk III and the Sigma 18-35 T2 and the Sigma 50-100 T2. So I was using them with a really big heavy camera and big heavy cine glass lenses on the front of it, and I had no issues at all setting up the balance. It was perfectly fine, even with my rather large payload. Now, I did this shoot all on my own, so I was a little bit worried when I went out and about that it might just be a really difficult shoot because I have all of this heavy kit and I'm just doing it by myself. But I had no issues, and the reason I didn't have any issues is because of the quick release plates on the legs and on the head. They make it so quick and easy to set up and adjust your shot that I wasn't out there for ages in the freezing cold snow, like worrying about it. I could really quickly adjust my shot to make sure that I was getting it exactly perfect without it taking very long. This is the kind of setup that I think would be perfect to use for documentary for that exact reason, because it's so easy to adjust every single bit of the tripod. And you can do it with a 1-man crew, or if you had a 2-man crew, it would be so easy for you. One of the other coolest features about this tripod is that you get a little slider head which you can use with it. And with the ability to take the tripod off its legs and move it around so quickly with this quick release plate, it's so quick and efficient to go use your quick release, take your head off your tripod and go bang it on your slider. Now, unfortunately, I don't actually have a slider at the moment, so I didn't have one to test it with, so I didn't use the slider head attachment, but I just played around with attaching it and detaching it to the head, and I had no issues. I can see how it would work really well. So in general, I thought the head was actually incredible. I used it for loads of pans and tilts and I had no issues with them whatsoever. Pretty much every single one I did was really, really smooth, which is nice to know that you don't have to do repeat versions of shots because your kit isn't keeping up with you. And actually, if I did film anything that I didn't think was particularly smooth or particularly good, it was because of user error, not because of the product. The product was delivering me what I wanted it to deliver me every single time. I'd actually love to film sport with it. I used to film a lot of sport, and obviously these days not doing a lot, but I used to film a lot of sport, and that's, I think, where for me a tripod head like this really comes into play, because I know that every single pan, say if I'm following a runner or something like that, every pan, every tilt is just going to be bang on, which means that I'm not distracted by having to make sure that I'm getting everything perfectly smooth, because I can rely on that kit to do the job for me. Therefore, all I need to worry about is making sure that it's in focus and all of the other parts of the image are something I'm happy with. If you want any more information on the Sachtler Aktiv tripod head or the Flowtech legs, I've popped links in the description so you can head over to those links to find out whatever you want to find out. And we'd really appreciate it if you gave our channel a subscribe and turn on notifications, because we put out videos like this all the time and we just love for you to see them. If you want to hear anything from me about these products or just anything else, pop a comment in the video below and I'm more than happy to get back to you with whatever information you could need. But apart from that, I just want to say thanks for watching.